Hi guys, this is Mary and you're watching Cardz TV. Now the other day I showed you two awesome kits that my friend Linda, who's a close to my heart consultant, sent to me. It was Stargazer and Give Me Some Sugar. And today we're going to do 4 cards using the Stargazer kit. It is so cute and I had so much fun getting ready to make these cards. Okay guys, for card number 1 I have a white card base which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I believe they're all white card bases at that size. That's an A2 size. And then I have a piece of this blue which has stars and planets and rocket ships all over it, and I'm going to get this adhered to the front and then I'll show you what comes next. My base is all ready. Now guys, I recently got these Lawn Fawn stitched fluffy cloud border dies. So I used all 3 of them and I cut out these cloud borders. I've adhered these 2 together. I'm going to put those right there on the front of the card. And then this one, I trimmed it off a little bit and I've got this one on some foam tape. And I've stamped Flying By to Say Hi, and that's from the Cardz TV Up and Away stamp set. There it is right there. And I used Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm going to get this adhered to the front of my card. Now, I took the stamp set that came with this Stargazer kit, as well as the dies, and I've cut out some stars out of glitter paper, and then here is one of the little rocket ships, and I've colored it and cut it out with the dies, and I've got this on some foam tape, and this is like the rocket just broke through the clouds and it's going off into the sky. I've got all my stars on some foam tape as well. For card number 2, once again, we have a white card base. I've used some more of that blue paper from the kit that's got the stars and the planets on it. And then I used the back side of it for this mat. And then these are 2 of the borders that you cut off the top of the 12 by 12 sheets. And then this is another one of the papers that's got the spaceships and the astronauts on it. And I cut these out with these new dies I got. These are Ctmh Stephanie Bernard, and they have little dots around them, and I thought that was really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and get these adhered to the front of our card. Now, once again, I used Memento Tuxedo Black ink and the Cardz TV Up and Away stamp set, and I've got Hope Your Day is Out of This World. And let me show you the cute little image that I stamped and colored and cut out with the dies. Look at this cute little astronaut. I've got him on foam tape. I think I'm going to put him right about there. And then these are 2 of the stars that I stamped out and cut with the dies. They're also on foam tape, and they're going to go right here. For card number 3, we have a white card base, we have a cherry cobbler mat, and then we have this red and white diagonal stripe. And once again, I've used this die from the Ctmh Stephanie Bernard set, and I'm going to adhere these to the front of the card. I just love that dotted border around there. Now, I wanted a mat to put my elements on for this next card. And I recently got some stitched hectagon dies, so I used one to cut some red and the other to cut white. And I've gone ahead and cut them out. I'm going to get this layered together, and you can see I used 2 of the stamps from the stamp set that comes with this kit to stamp 2 little gold stars. And then I've got You Are My Shining Star, and that came from the Cardz TV set called It's all about you. Right there, you are my shining star. I'm going to adhere these together, and then I'll show you what's going on here that's so cute that came from this kit. Now, I've kind of put my hexagon a little bit to one side and a little bit closer to the top to make room for the embellishments that are going on here. Now, this is the little telescope stamp and die that comes in the set, and I went ahead and colored it with alcohol markers. I've got this on some foam tape, and I'm going to put that telescope right about there. And then I've got a star, and this is also a stamp and die from the set. This is on foam tape, and I stamped this with some Tim Holtz Distress Oxide ink, and you get a really pretty look with that. That's going to go right there. So you are my shining star. And then this is one of the stickers from the kit. And this is a planet. I'm not sure which one. I don't remember which one has the ring around it. This is on some foam tape. And this is going to go right down here. Card number 4 was super quick and easy. I've got a white card base. I have a piece of the yellow cardstock from the kit. I cut it with that Ctmh Stephanie Bernard dotted border set. I've used some more of that blue with the planets. This was from that little sheet that you can use for pocket scrapbooking or regular scrapbooking or card fronts. So I'm using it for the front of my card. And then this is another piece, and I cut this out with a stitched rectangle die, and I'm going to get all of this adhered together. My card base is all ready, and all I did for this one, this is one of the stickers that comes in the kit, and I've just got some foam tape on the back. I'm going to get this on that blue mat in the center. And then I took a little white banner for my sentiment, and I stamped it with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. Okay, we'll go ahead and get this on there. This card was super quick and easy. And we're going to put it just like that. And here's my little white banner, Have a Blast. And this came from the Cardz TV set called Simply Said. There it is right there. Have a blast. And I think I'm going to put some of those yellow enamel dots on this one. This tape is so sticky. That's going to go right, let's see, right there. Here are all 4 of the cards that I made today with the Close to My Heart Stargazer kit. And I've still got tons of stuff left, guys. I've got stickers and enamel dots and paper and cardstock. And I've got the stamp and die set, which I'll always have. But this is just such a cute, fun set. You need to go check it out. And I'll leave you a link to Linda's Close to My Heart site. Thank you again, Linda, for sending me this kit. Now, guys, I'll be back in a few days and do 4 cards with the other kit that Linda sent me called Gimme Some Sugar. It's a cute set, too. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.